Hi everyone! Thanks for joining us today for the first online edition of the Atlassian Enterprise Days. I'm Anthony from the marketing team at Atlassian in France, and I'm delighted to see you here. The session will start in a few seconds, but I first wanted to share with you some practical information. As you may have noticed, we'll all be in mute mode during the presentation, so you can't talk to us directly. However, I invite you to use the chat box to leave your comments and your questions, as there will be a Q&A session at the end of the presentation. Finally, as some of you may have understood, this session has been pre-recorded to avoid any technical problems or last-minute cancellation. But we will be in live at the end to answer your questions with the speakers. Thanks again for your participation, and see you right after.
Hi everyone, I'm Bala Venkatrao, Head of Product Enterprise at Atlassian. You've heard us speak about all the progress we are making on our cloud journey. Today, I'm delighted to share how Atlassian Cloud can serve as the technological underpinning of collaboration for many customers and partners like you, and how we can help unleash the power of teams despite uncertain times. The world is forcing change. We've encountered a sudden dramatic change that's forcing every organization around the globe to rethink how they run and operate their business. It's not just the unpredictability of what's to come, it's also the velocity and pace of change that's creating silos and inefficiencies with your biggest asset, your people. But the most resilient businesses and teams use this opportunity to grow and transform. Earlier this year, Atlassian had to self-reflect on the same front. How do we adapt quickly to help our customers maintain a competitive edge? How can we help you grow through adverse or uncertain times? And how can we keep innovating on your behalf? In response, we've sharpened our focus as a cloud-first company. To deliver a world-class cloud experience for customers, we're shifting how we invest R&D resources and simplifying our server and data center offerings. We didn't make this decision lightly. However, we truly believe that this is the best option to enable organizations to build more flexible, resilient, and innovative paths into the future. The majority of our customers already benefit from the advantages of the cloud today. In fact, over 90% of our customers start their Atlassian experience with cloud products, while thousands of our server customers are already moving over. We launched Atlassian Cloud nearly a decade ago. We've come a long way together, from strengthening our cloud platform to launching multiple products like Access and Cloud Premium. This journey culminates in our cloud offering for the largest organization amongst our enterprise customers. Customers of all types are leveraging Atlassian solutions ranging from Agile and DevOps to ITSM and work management to achieve teamwork at scale. But more importantly, all of our solutions are enabled by a strong enterprise-grade cloud platform across security and compliance, scale and performance, centralized admin controls, and extensibility. We continue to invest heavily in our cloud platform so that we do the heavy lifting across all these areas and allow you to focus on your customers' business priorities. Across the entire company, we're leaping forward into making in cloud the best Atlassian experience for all types of teams. So why does Atlassian Cloud matter even more now as our customers face headwinds and uncertainty around every corner? Let me start with a few customer examples. For established companies like Rockwell Automation, Atlassian was key to bringing the teams together and modernizing how work is done. Over the years, Rockwell Automation had acquired several server-based tools and legacy methodologies that hindered productivity, collaboration, and innovation. To address these growing pains and modernize their processes, Rockwell adopted agile practices and migrated to a cloud suite of engineering solutions. America's top brokerage site adopted agile practices with Jira Software, Bitbucket, and Confluence and migrated to Atlassian Cloud to lower cost, boost efficiency, and dedicate more resources to innovation. For example, using Atlassian DevOps and work management solution, they launched video and 3D virtual home tours for customers just less than a month after the pandemic hit. It's about bringing together your teams and their work. We unify teamwork by breaking down silos and enabling work and collaboration to flow between different types of teams, regardless of where they sit in the organization. This is even more critical in a world of remote work where teams are distributed across geographies. As businesses around the world face an uncertain macroeconomic environment, they need to be nimble and stretch the impact they make with same or fewer resources than before. Atlassian Cloud brings unique features and capabilities that enable teams to scale their work and effort. Your tools need to work for your teams to do better work more efficiently. Atlassian Cloud delivers on that promise. Let me highlight some of the unique features and capabilities that are available as part of the Atlassian Cloud. All types of teams today are distributed, whether they are remote or work on different devices. We're offering native Mac OS apps so you can work from wherever you are. As remote workforce becomes the norm, more customers are moving to the cloud. Cloud mobile capabilities don't require VPN, making it convenient but also balanced with security. To keep work moving across your teams, users can collaborate on Confluence Mobile without missing a beat. Hassle-free access makes it easy to jump right back into your work, whether it's creating and editing pages with our modernized editor or responding to a time-sensitive comment. Efficient collaboration is vital in helping businesses move quicker. The power of Confluence Cloud is further amplified when you can collaborate with teams inside and outside the company. Whether you work with partners, vendors, contractors, clients, or more, we've made it easy for you to bring them into the fold with the right security guardrails. Artificial intelligence has become quite a buzzword. With Atlassian Cloud, we've applied pragmatic machine learning. We call it smarts across our platform. Smarts help level up on how our products work for your teams by automating the most tedious and repetitive tasks. We've made Jira smarter so that it can predict and autofill the people you work with, the next issue status, and even search. When you need to search for content, Cloud supercharged and improved search capability is powered by machine learning. With JSW Cloud, automation is seamlessly embedded within our product, which means you don't need to spend extra time buying, installing, administering automation add-ons, creating or maintaining custom scripts like before. We asked our customers to help quantify how much ROI they get from automation. A majority of our admins saved at least 6 hours per month, if not more, in complex workflows. And 11% said automation saves the end users more than 51 hours a month. And guess what? Saving time makes people happy. Automation features have CSAT over 90%. We've jam-packed our enterprise cloud with tons of features around scale by offering unlimited instances, guaranteed reliability with SLA up to 99.95, security and compliance features such as data residency, SAML, SSO, admin control to scale with automated user provisioning as well, change management control as release tracks and sandbox that allow you to test, preview and document updates before releasing it to end users. Our solutions enable all critical elements of teamwork, but even more importantly, allowing you to integrate with the various tools you have in your organization and the new tools that you will inevitably acquire in the future. With new technologies emerging every day, the strongest bet for the future is best of the breed. With Atlassian Cloud, you'll never be locked in. To extend the capabilities we provide in the cloud products out of the box, we have more than 1,000 apps and integrations in our cloud marketplace. We're seeing a rush of cloud app development over the past year, where we've literally added one new app into the cloud marketplace every single day. And for customers that want to build bespoke apps on our cloud platform, we built the components you need into a brand new extensibility framework. We're calling it Atlassian Forge. Forge empowers all developers to customize Atlassian products to their specific needs, create new solutions and cross-functional workflows that help teams work better together. All these efforts collectively serve a singular purpose. We want your teams to do their best work while you scale your organization, live up to your customer promise, and transform at cloud speed. While we believe cloud is the ultimate destination for all Atlassian customers, we know some customers face challenges in making that shift, especially the very large enterprises or those with strict regulatory requirements. In fact, 1 in 5 surveyed customers have a hybrid cloud and an on-premise deployment platform for the Atlassian products. That is why we are investing heavily in advancing our cloud capabilities even further. We continue to make rapid headways in increasing scale and performance, focusing on serving complex requirements like HIPAA and FedRAMP, and helping admin manage the instances in more seamless manner across the organization. For enterprise and organizations that need or want to stay behind the firewall, Atlassian Data Center remains a key element of our strategy. In addition to continued development of new features, we are making using cloud and data center products together easier for you and your users. If you want more visibility into what else is coming down into as part of a roadmap, please check out of the website. My team of product managers are always available to speak to you, so I invite you to take a look and share your feedback. For your customers contemplating or ready to migrate to cloud today, there are migration tools, resources, and support as part of the Atlassian migration support. Thank you again for your time today. With that, I would like to open up for Q&A.